Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. So today video topics is motorcycle accident lawyer in USA. So the joy of riding a motorcycle has the potential to turn tragic very quickly. Motorcyclists are vulnerable because they do not have an automobile body to protect them. In the event of an accident, there is a very little protection for the rider. Even a minor motorcycle accident has the potential to result in serious injuries when riding a motorcycle. There are many factors to consider, such as weather, time of day, and traffic conditions. But safety should always be first priority. Unfortunately, even the safest riders can become injury victims due to another driver's negligence. So negligence and then injured motorcycles may find it difficult to recover compensation without the help of experienced attorney. In New York State, motorcycle insurance policies do not include personal injury protection (PIP) coverage. At William Matter law offices, we have protect the rights of injured victims for or more than 30 years. We are here to help protect your rights after being injured in an accident. So, do I need a motorcycle accident lawyer? Yeah. So, insurance companies generally try to pay out as little as they can on bodily injury claims. It may be a good idea to speak with the attorney before accepting a settlement from an insurance company. So once you sign a release, you cannot receive any additional compensation on the claim. Our lawyers have experience negotiating with insurance companies, and we will fight to get you compensation for your pain and suffering before contacting in any motorcycle accident lawyer. We suggest regarding our what do you after a motorcycle accident. So helping motorcycle accident victims, whether it is discovering the cause of motors by vehicle crashes, or learning how to educate the public on how to potentially prevent future accidents. So William Matter Law Offices is here to help. Our motorcycle accident lawyers have created the following pages to provide you with information following a motorcycle crash. Motorcycle crash. So causes of motorcycle accident. Motorcyclists like you face unique danger on the road. Learn why the most common types of crashes happen, and how you may be able to protect yourself. And then types of motorcycle accidents. So every motorcycle accident is slightly different. Slightly different with different with different um, with different contributing factors that influence the outcome. So what to do after a motorcycle accident? So being involved in a motorcycle accident can leave you feeling confused and overwhelmed. Learn what steps you should take in the aftermath of crash. So do I need a motorcycle accident lawyer, accident attorney? Unlike some newer motorcyclists do not need to have their injury qualify in a serious injury category to bring a claim against the at fault motorist. So what to expect after a motorcycle accident? Motorcycle accidents can be stressful and confusing for all parties involved. Here are a few things you might expect after motorcycle accident. So motorcycle accident after a few who means lawyer, and then it's can be for the attorney lawyer, the serious is issues for me. So there are some providers in some providers motorcycle accident or injuries from the severity of injuries bikers. So so in order to make a claim, the motorcyclist will need to establish that the driver was in negligent, resulting in the consolation and collision and his her injuries. This will require the motorcyclist to overcome any defenses is raised by the car rear ending driver. So in the first hypothetical, the rear ending driver may try to claim that we was negligent, resulting in the collision and her injuries. This will require the motorcyclist to overcome any defenses raised by the rear ending driver. So in the first hypothetical, the rear ending driver may try to claim that he was subjected to a sudden emergency when he was blinded by the sun. So in order to overcome this type of argument, the motorcyclist may want to probe whether the driver was wearing sunglasses, is whether the sun visor was down, and whether the rear ending driver was traveling at an unsafe speed given the circumstances. So in the second hypothetical, the rear ending driver may try to claim that there is no negligent. Bikers often face to the difference in types of insurance coverage. So discover the ways in which motorcycle accidents differ from car accidents. So preparing a ride motorcycle to help prepare for riding a motorcycle in New York State. Riders should wear the right protective safety gear, learn how to operate the bike, and complete a motorcycle inspection prior to entering traffic. Okay. Entire and traffic. So most of the people they are accident in lawyer case is in a way have to helmet. So near motorcycle helmet laws in New York State, it is required by law that both drivers and passengers are wearing a helmet. wearing a helmet. So, gathering evidence for a motorcycle accident injury claim. It is important to gather evidence if you intend to bring a lawsuit it against the at fault driver if you were injured in a motorcycle accident. So, types of motorcycle accident claims. Not every motor vehicle accident involves a car. Read about the different types of motorcycle accidents claims and who can may be held responsible. So types of compensation, you may be entitled to compensation for pain and suffering, lost wages and medical bills. Learn more about the different types of compensation. So it is very compensation. It is very hurtful for every New York or others states hard law. So every New York motorcycle insurance, and then New York motorcycle insurance. New York State insurance for motorcyclists is different than insurance for other motorists. It is important for motorcyclists to know about this difference. About the difference about this difference. So find a motorcycle repair shop near you. If you are in need of motorcycle repairs after an accident, you can use this list to find some motorcycle repair shops in area. So when should I see a doctor? It may be difficult to determine the severity of your injuries after a motorcycle crash without seeking medical help. So learn how seeking medical treatment can protect your health and your legal rights to compensation. So it's a legal rights to compensation. So guys, it's a very helpful for us, every motorcyclist after accident, then he should do every step. So when should I see a doctor? So it may be if may be difficult to determine the severity of your injuries after motorcycle crash without seeking medical help. So motorcycle FAQ. An accident can leave you wondering where to turn for information that you can trust. Visit our FAQ to get answers to questions about your legal rights, helmet laws, and tips to potentially prevent an accident. Head-on-head motorcycle accident. Head-on motorcycle accidents can be devastating for devastating devastating devastating. Or is devastating. Okay, so potentially prevent an accident. Head-on accidents. So head-on motorcycle accidents can be devastating for motorcyclists if you or a loved one have been injured in a head-on motorcycle crash. Contact William Matter for help. So get help after your motorcycle accident. At William Matter Law Offices, our lawyers will thoroughly review your case. It is our goal to get you compensation for your injuries in the least amount of time possible. Contact us online now to speak with an experienced New York motorcycle accident or the motorcycle accident fact. So I want to share with you full details of common causes of motorcycle accident. Is a simple to step. How do motorcycle accident happen? There are several common causes of motorcycle accidents, and some causes may include they include somebody help us every sector of a motorcycle. So viewers, so just just once minute wait, and I want to share full details of. Okay, so the left turn accidents, many motorcycle accidents are caused by right of way errors or misjudgment. 42% of motorcycle accidents involving a car caused by the car making a left-handed turn. Motorcycles are smaller in size compared to automobiles, and this may create problems with visibility. Motorists also train to look for cars and trucks and may not even notice an oncoming motorcycle. And then speeding, traveling at a high rate of speed can reduce the amount of time in which a motorist has to react. Additionally, if there is an effect at a high rate of speed, it is likely the damage and injuries will be greater. In 2017, speeding was a factor in 32% of motorcycle accident fatalities. So road conditions hazards. Road hazards as small as a spot hole or the road debris can be very dangerous for bikers because motorcycles are smaller in size and only have two wheels. Any irregularities or unexpected road conditions have the potential to cause a motorcycle accident. And next one is alcohol. In 2016, approximately 32% of motorcyclists killed in motorcycle accidents were under the influence of alcohol. So biker involved in a fatal accidents into 2016 had higher percentage of impairment due to alcohol consumption and than any other type of vehicle operator. And protecting yourself, it is possible to reduce the risk of serious injury and in a motorcycle accident by wearing appropriate safety gear. Wearing the right protection may help save a motorcyclist's life. So health, it is the law or to wear a helmet while operating motorcycle in New York State. So all helmets sold in the United States are required to meet the US Department of Transportation DOT a Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has an online guide to help riders choose the right motorcycle helmet. Helmets do not interfere with the rider's vision or hearing and are credited with saving thousands of lives is each year. 7,000 and each year. So clothing. Then next one is types of motorcycle accidents. So I want to share with you types of motorcycle accident in USA or others countries. So motorcycle accidents happen every day on our roadways, often with catastrophic consequence because riders and their passengers are more vulnerable than their automobile operating counterparts while car occupants are surrounded by a steel frame, airbag, and seat belt restraint systems. Motorcyclists are more readily exposed to hazards on the open road. Possible types of motorcycle accidents include rear and rear side sweeps and T-bone collisions. And so, however, when we characterize collisions like this, is we are painting with a very road brush. Every collision is a little different with different causative factors influencing the outcome. So motorcycle accident examples are considered too rare and in fact collisions. So in the first collision, the rear ending driver is approaching an intersection, but he struggles to see the traffic.
Yang quería era esa.